Would you believe just last week a large Fortune 500 company called names over the PA system and told them, thanks for your service, you're no longer needed. We have got to take control of our finances, right? This is why I'm such a advocate for Livegood. Livegood gives you 6 whole ways to get paid. Let me show you how. All right, so what is Livegood, y'all? It is one of the latest, greatest, newest, and most improved companies for network marketing. So we've all heard of network marketing companies before, like Herbalife or even what's that other one? TLC. So, it's similar to that. However, everybody is able to make money, not just people at the top, right? So let me just show you. Now, when you first go to the compensation plan, it shows you right here. You can earn up to $2,400, I'm sorry, $2,047.50 per month without enrolling a single person, right? So Livegood has 6 different ways for you to earn income, right? So let's just go into detail and talk about it. So this one, the first way is called the weekly fast start commissions, right? Now, with the weekly 5-star commissions, when you're new, you're ranked at level 1, right? And so it'll say not ranked. So let me just show you. Let me just show you an example of what that looks like before we go into deep detail. All right, so this is genealogy. When you go into genealogy, everybody who has green, they are unranked, meaning they don't have at least 2 people signed up under them yet, right? So then you got the bronze. That's the next level, then silver, then gold, then platinum, and diamond. Whoa, baby, that's where we all want to be. That's a hot 50 grand a month passive residual income. So if you get to the diamond level, that's residual income, close to $50,000 a month or more. So right now I'm at a silver ranking, but so this is what I mean. So let's go back to where we just were. Let's go back to the pay plan. Now on the pay plan, when you're new level 1 and you're not ranked,